African violets have the reputation of being an easy care houseplant. Here are some problems that you can easily avoid in the care of this wonderful little houseplant. Do not overwater. Do not let your plant sit in water. When you do water, make sure that your water is of room temperature. You use a water-soluble fertilizer, and you turn your African violets a quarter turn each time you water. Once again, do not let your plants become soggy. Moist is good. Dry is even better. It is better to let your African violet become a little on the dry side and not so much on the wet side. If you find that you don't have an eastern or a western exposure for these plants, and you must put them in a hot window or a southern exposure, by all means, put some sort of fabric screen or filter on the window. When you water, make sure that you use your water is dechlorinated. Leave your water overnight if you use tap water. Spring water you can use, but again, dechlorinate your tap water. And lastly, enjoy your African violets. If you feed, water, give them enough sun to produce these lovely flowers, you're going to have a wonderful addition to your home and your family.